Right, I'm just gonna say it.
No, Reggie, leave it.
You are just a waste. A waste of space. Well, it's just everything ends up in the same place anyway, don't it? We're all heading for landfill.
Actually, Reg.
What he means to say is we all just end up breaking down in the same ways. So why are you here?
No, Donna.
I just don't understand the big fuss. It's just making everything complicated for no reason.
Well, actually, there is a reason. A quarter of what goes to landfill is food, and it lets off harmful greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. But when you recycle your food, it's actually useful, as it gets transformed into energy and fertiliser.
Energy?
Fertiliser?
That's right, recycling just 6 tea bags will generate enough energy to boil a kettle to make another cuppa. It's the circle of life.
How many cups of tea are we aiming for here?
It's not about the tea, Reg. If everyone recycles their food, then the positive impact is huge.
Exactly. The best thing to do with food is to eat it. But recycling means that anything that can't be eaten can still be put to good use.
Oh, right, yeah.